vehicle and crashing into a parked van that another person was standing next to. Vasquez continued ramming his vehicle into the van parked in front of the house. Officers' body-worn camera footage of the incident.
What's up? The comp or what's up? 823 man. I gotta figure out what they actually did. Yeah, as soon as we walked up, suspect vehicle went southbound Mulberry. Oh. $998. Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Get back inside! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get out of the car! 23 Mary 998. Get out of the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get inside! Get inside! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on the ground! Get on the ground! Yeah, you're trying to run over your fucking family.
No, I didn't, bro.
Get on the ground!
No, I didn't, bro. They shot me, bro. Hey, they shot me, bro.
Yeah, you're trying to crash the car into your family in the driveway. I just saw it twice.
Yeah, you shot me.
You got one in custody.
You guys shot me, man. You guys shot me, man.
Go inside. Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay?
No, she was able to get the child out of the car. This officer, guarda eso, lo que traes en la mano, vamos. Juro que guárdalo. Ahí viene para atrás, hija. He's coming back on. He's on his way. Come on. Come inside.
Hey, do I need to put a tourniquet on him?
You guys shot me, man.
Do I need to put a tourniquet on him?
Man. You guys shot me, man. Hey, man, you shot me. Let's go, you shot me. Let's go, you shot me. Let's go, you shot me. Hey,
Trying to put this quick cloud in there for him.
Let's go, you shot me.
Sure, sir.
You shot me.
As far as we know, you want to clear?
me, man. We back.
Hey, I need some gun.